Do you guys want to run your air fryer off-grid in your caravan? Check out this video. We're going to show you how to run it, what setup we've got, and also how many amps it draws, how long it's going to take us to cook some fries. So we started with the Ninja here. We didn't start with it actually. We had a few different cheaper versions first. In our old van, we've ended up with the Ninja. In this caravan, we tried to find an air fryer to build into the cabinets up high actually. The ones that are square were putting out way too much heat. The cabinets weren't liking them. Andrew wasn't liking them. So we ended up going with the Ninja. The reason we've gone with this is it's pressure cooker, slow cooker, air fryer, roast, says saute, yogurt cooker. Don't know how you cook yogurt, but anyway, grill, dehydrate. So it does all sorts of different things. We like that functionality of it. We're going to be on the road traveling full time. What we've cooked in it, we've pressure cooked corned beef. Andrew's done ribs in it. So I think you like slow cook and then air fry them. Slow cooker, we do like spaghetti bolognese. We've done lots of potato jams, chips, sausage rolls. I don't know what else we've done. I've probably missed some stuff. Roast chicken. Andrew's yelling at me. But anyway, we're going to just go run you through. Kids love it. Chips in the air fryer, super easy. So batteries are currently at 100%. If you can see that one here, we've got 400 amps of lithium in here, sitting at 100%. So I'm going to chuck some chips on in the air fryer and we are going to see how many amps it draws, how long it takes to cook them, and how many amps of battery we're going to use over that time. It's obviously going to differentiate between whether you've got it on air fryer, slow cooker, pressure cooker. We're just going to go with straight air fryer because that's probably the most common question that we get asked. So let's chuck these in. Got my trusty scissors here. Chop the bag off. This is a little bit awkward because it opens from the other direction. It's got a tray in here. I'm just going to sprinkle a couple in there. Like that. I'm getting judged.
There's a few of us here. I reckon we want some more.
But you need some spacage in there. Let's do that. Okay, so hit the power button. Different settings along here if you can see them. We're going to go to air crisp. It automatically puts the temperature to 200 degrees. I could change that and mess with it if I wanted to. I can also adjust my time. So I'm going to go for 20 minutes. Hit the start button. So it's just gone from 4 amps, which is what we were currently drawing, and it's cranked all the way up to 120 amps. So that is drawing per hour. We are only running this for 15 to 20 minutes, but we're currently sitting at 100%. So we will just let that do its magical air crispy air fry thing. So one of the big questions we get asked is, what do I need to run my air fryer? So we have got lithium batteries. We've got 400 amps of lithium batteries in this system. The big thing that converts the 12 volt power that is stored in your lithium batteries to be able to run 240 volt appliances and make all of our GPOs, these little things here, work is the inverter. So we've got the EnerDrive 2600 watt inverter here. What that does is convert the 12 volt power stored in your batteries into 240 volt power suitable to run appliances like air fryers, AC, inductions, all of that sort of jazz. We've then got DC to DC charger, solar controller, and AC charger. So that's the 3 different ways that we can possibly charge our lithium batteries. So from solar, from the car's alternator, or from if you're at a caravan park plugged into power. So these off-grid setups in caravans are what we specialise in. I'll chuck a link up here now that will give you more information about off-grid setups in caravans if you do need it, but we're always happy to help. So stay tuned, we'll come back in 15-20 minutes and see how much power we've used and hopefully have some nice crispy chips. All right, we are finished. I wasn't happy with the crispiness of them, so we chucked them on for another 2 minutes. So 22 minutes in total. We've used 11%, 400 amp hour system, so it's 44 amps of battery has been used to do some chips in the air fryer. Chuck some in the bowl so you can have a look at them. But yeah, super crispy, bit of salt, bit of tomato sauce, we are good to go. So the other thing, was drawing 120 amps, so we can run this on a 2000 watt inverter and 200 amp hour battery. So you do not need the full 2600, so same as what you would use for induction. You could be running one of these bad boys in your canopy as well if you wanted to. So that's it, how many amps we used in our air fryer to cook some chips off grid. Obviously different settings will draw different currents, different temperatures will draw different currents.
Air fry's the max.
air fryer is the max I'm getting from the boss in his director's chair over there. So that's the max this unit is ever going to draw. We've also run a video on what you need to run your induction cooktop and how many amps it draws and that sort of thing. So I'll chuck a link to that one up here, and YouTube reckons you should watch this one here. As always, if you do have any comments or questions, please drop them below. Do I need to redo that? Questions? No. Welcome to Bryony's cooking show. We cook chips.